Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Is your warehouse, barn, or garage in a state of disarray like ours normally is? Then you need a set of shelves that is going to help you to organize and keep things tidy. We're starting to achieve a little bit more of that with these SINGAYE steel shelves. This shelf has 5 different tiers, and one thing that my husband really loves about it is that you can customize the height of each shelf to accommodate whatever the item is that you want to put on it. He's a chimney sweep, so he has a lot of different odds and ends that are easily lost inside our warehouse. This has really helped him to be able to locate them quickly, and he also likes that you can hang things off the side of the shelves. The assembly on these shelves was quick and easy, which is always nice when you're a busy person like my husband is. The shelf has self-leveling capabilities at the bottom of the poles, and even though it moves, it's not tippy. It's really secure. We definitely need more of these shelves so that we can keep making things tidier in our warehouse for my husband, but we're really pleased with the capability of the one that we have, and that's our point of view.